I wanted to show you this because of just the complication in getting what is a simple plug out. All right, so I'm gonna show you on the driver's side door, so let's duck down, let's take a look at that. I'm pulling the light out. All right guys, so I'm actually laying under my door. That's probably the easiest way to show you. So here's the back of the car, here's the front of the car, and obviously you can see reflected in my hand is the light. So here on the engine side, there's a little notch in the light, and you can tell that's where the hooks are. That's why they put that little notch right there. So usually what I'll do is I'll take a plastic trim tool and get up underneath the edge of the light and press backwards, just like that, until it comes out. So now you can see there's not a lot of cable length, but there's enough right there. You can see and get that off. Now, as I mentioned about the cable, how tight this plug is, so I'm gonna give this the first shot here and see if I can get this off. Hey, that one actually came out a lot easier. All right, so that's some good news there. So that one came right out just fine. Now, with the new projector, let me grab that and let me show you this hooked into place, because we do also want to adjust the projector, which you'll see. All right, so here we are kind of right side up.